How to make a bagel. To start, you need a bagel and a toaster. Take your bagel and split it in half. You can use a knife or you can use your hands. After you've split your bagel in half, be careful because some common mistakes might occur when attempting to place your bagel inside the toaster. These are all examples of ways that you should avoid. This is the right and proper way to place your bagels in the toaster. Make sure to check the dial. Ensure that it is not too high and not too low. Press down the lever on the side to begin the process of cooking. When the bagels are done in the toaster, take them out. And you should have perfectly toasted bagels. If you want darker bagels, set your toaster to 4. If you want perfect bagels, set your toaster to 3. Enjoy!